So I drew the short straw for taking Ike out for a walk, and it's really nasty out. Got some use out of my son's pheasant hunting vest that he's never gonna wear. But and it's so bad that I actually wore a Minnesota Gophers hat, which never happens. And oh, I'm kind of a hot mess. So we ran into a neighbor dog friend, Addison, and his mom was in her pajamas, and she said, "Oh, I didn't think it would be this bad out." I'm like, "Are you kidding, woman? Where have you been? We're like teetering on the threshold of Armageddon out here. Look at like Armageddon back inside where it's warm." Yeah, it's not just bright. That's like snow. You like literally can't see anything. And now we know how Jack Nicholson felt in The Shining when he just wandered around in that that maze, because I walked down the street in the tire tracks. So I think it's time for a glass of wine.